Hey guys, it's Millie, and today I'm going to be continuing my latex allergy series. If you haven't seen my other two videos, check them out. There'll be a link in the description to watch the playlist if you want to go check that out. You can also check out my website, Living Latex Free. That'll also be linked in the description box below if you want to go check out my website and more about my project. It is a Gold Award project, so it is for Girl Scouts. If you don't know what the Gold Award project is, it is basically the highest honor you can earn in Girl Scouts. Anyways, today we're just going to be talking about how to use an EpiPen. Step 1 to using an EpiPen is to first locate it, and then to second determine if you really need to use it. If the allergy reaction is not life-threatening, then you do not need to use an EpiPen, and you should not. You should only ever use one in a life-threatening situation. But if it is life-threatening, then you do want to go ahead and use it. And an example of it being life-threatening is if the person's throat is closing up, although it could be many other things as well. Once you have located your EpiPen, this is an EpiPen trainer if you're wondering, so an EpiPen will look slightly different. It'll be different colors, and it will be in a protective case rather than just out in the open. Once you have your EpiPen and you've determined you need to use it, have the person who's going to receive the EpiPen either sit down or lay down with their legs stretched out in front of them. Once they're sitting down with their legs stretched out in front of them, you're going to go ahead and take this out of its protective case. Once it's out of its protective case, you will then take off this safety cap. Once the safety cap is off, the needle is then ready to go. So you do not want to touch this orange tip, or else you could accidentally set off the needle prematurely and you will no longer have an EpiPen or any epinephrine. Your EpiPen will be used up. It's a one and done kind of thing. So once the needle is ejected, you cannot go back. So you want to make sure that you are good to go when you take off the safety cap. Once you take off the safety cap, you're going to locate the middle of the person's thigh, fist the EpiPen in your hand to create enough grasp on it so when you create the force, you don't drop it, and then you're going to stick it in. First I'm going to demonstrate on my hand how you're going to stick it in, and then I'll show you on my thigh. So if this is the person's middle of their thigh, you're just going to take the EpiPen in your fist, pull back, stick it in, and then count to 10 out loud. You should do out loud, that way if you accidentally lose your place, someone with you can know how long you've been counting to. After 10 seconds, you're going to pull back. The needle will be locked in this orange tip here, and you can't get to it anymore. Then you're just going to set it down and call 911. It's always important to call 911 because you have given someone a powerful drug, so you want to call 911 so they can make sure the person is okay and give them any extra help they need. Plus the paramedics will know what to do from there. Now I'm going to show you what it'll look like when you're doing it on a person's thigh. First, you're going to remove the safety cap. The person will be sitting down or laying down with their legs stretched out like this. Once their leg is stretched out, you're going to locate the side of their thigh and then find the middle of it, just approximately. It doesn't have to be exact. Then you're going to fist your EpiPen like this and then pull back, stick it in, and once it's in, you want to keep the force to make sure that it stays in. Count to 10 out loud, and then you're going to pull back. Again, when you pull back, this safety seal will block the needle. Then you will set this down and call 911. So to do a quick recap, once the person is sitting down with their legs stretched out, you'll take the EpiPen out of its protective casing and then also remove the safety cap. Then you'll locate the side middle of the thigh and stick it in for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you'll pull back and call 911. The steps will also be written in the description box below, as well as on my website, Living Latex Free, if you would like to go over them and study them to make sure you're ready and prepared in the event that you do need to use an EpiPen. So that is how you administer an EpiPen. I hope that you found this video useful. If you did, let me know in the comments below. You can also let me know your experiences with EpiPens, if you've ever used one, if you have one, if you've ever seen one in use or have a friend who's used one. You can let me know, and or if you have any questions, you can ask them and I'll let you know to the best of my ability. And also don't forget to subscribe for future latex allergy videos, and check out the rest of the videos in the series. They'll be linked in the description box below as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!